Tristan, turn around and come towards me. Come here. We're going to the left here into this river, and then we're going to stop at that little sandbar. So, how do you like it? Cool? I can't hear you.
Cool! There you go.
Yeah, nice. Woo! Awesome. So, are you ever going to be with your mom again in a kayak?
No. Oh, you got it now.
Yeah, he got the fever. You got the fever?
I don't know. Yeah?
I think so. Do you hate kayaking anymore? No, now you like it? How old are you?